Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look at the gold market as usual. So I will start from the hourly chart and then turn to the high time frame, to the 4-hour time frame chart. On the daily, I did not see some really necessity to take a look at the chart because there actually stands everything the same. So yesterday we said on the hourly chart that potentially if you are searching chance to go long and will try to take the position here, you could use the Judd Napoli minesweeper tactic. We're using some fib supports for taking the position with the expectation of possible upside breakout. So if market will break this trend line. So indeed, you can see this retracement down was to the 618 support, and here was a chance to take the position. Now market is trying to break this trend line, but overall price action looks a bit choppy, and actually it suggests that maybe still we will get the deep retracement, because on the daily chart we said that will be either minor retracement or it's not an exception that market could retest the broken area around 13 even. So this was the previous consolidation, so market could just return it back down, retest it, and then reestablish the upward direction. But sooner or later, but XOP target should be met. So this is 1330, our next nearest target that we have on the gold market. Since this is very long term and important target, before any reversal will happen, market should hit it. And currently it's only question whether it will happen after the minor pullback here out from the level, but this market could turn up again, or it will still show a bit deeper retracement, and then we'll complete this XOP target. What thoughts we have right now? So first of all, on the hourly chart, now if you have taken the position based on the 618 retracement here, it makes sense to move your stop to the break-even and see what will happen, because here we could get two different scenarios, and both of them stands on the 4-hour time frame chart. So we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart. You could see, and here actually we have monthly pivot point, very strong support. This is confluence, and take a look at the XOP target of this ABC top minor extension. And this XOP, strictly speaking, has not been hit. So this few cents that market hasn't reached this area, 13 and all 768. So upward reversal has happened a bit earlier, as we said, based on the ABCD pattern. If you take the A point as the moment where market really starting the downward direction. But from the absolute top, this target has not been hit yet. Second, here guys, within the two candles on the 4-hour time frame chart, we've got the bearish grabber, and this grabber suggests taking out of this loss. It doesn't correspond to idea of the upward breakout here. So yes, grabbers could be erased. This could happen, but still we should be prepared for the action to the downside here as well. And the first scenario suggests this market will drop back to the 13 or 7, 13 or 8 confidence support, complete this XOP target, test the monthly pivot point. Maybe it will show some wash and rinse, and we will reestablish upward action right from this moment, from this area. That will be the first scenario. Second scenario mostly stands the same as we have talked yesterday. So this is possible deeper ABCD action right back down to the 13 even area, major confidence, major 618 support, and so be also a kind of the AB equals CD action down. That will happen in case if market will not able to hold here and reestablish upward action right from this point. That's 2 moments to watch for. So if you're searching chance to go long, first moment that you could keep an eye on is the dropping here, watching for bullish patterns around 1307. If you already have the long position based on yesterday's setup, well, in this case you just need to move your stop to the break-even and watch what will happen. So that's our view on the gold market.